tool I bought that I barely use.
Yeah.
I would say probably use this fuel injector test kit the least.
Is that your most expensive?
It's a pretty expensive tool. So for that and not using it very much.
This thing. It's like a mini puller set. I have not found a use for it yet. So
How much was it?
like 120 bucks. So not terrible.
The line wrenches. I mean, I use them every now and then, but it's so barely, and they were overpriced, but
How much were
they were like 300 bucks. So yeah, I barely use those, and that, I mean, when I do, it's nice, but I really don't need it ever.
Torque wrench. Just never torque to spec, you know.
Yep.